Here's your after-hours market recap for Tuesday, April 7th. Let's get right to it.
So the major indices finished mixed after a really wild, choppy session with some huge swings.
The big story today? Geopolitical uncertainty. All eyes were on the U.S. Iran ceasefire negotiations.
An 8 p.m. Eastern deadline was looming, and that threat sent stocks sharply lower at the open.
And you can see how that played out. The market was all over the place, reacting to every headline.
The game changer was this proposal for a 2-week extension, which sparked a big rally into the close.
And you saw that news hit crude oil right away, knocking it well off its session highs.
That late rally was just strong enough to pull 5 of the S&P's 11 sectors into positive territory.
On the flip side, consumer names really struggled, ending the day as the biggest laggards.
Leading the pack was communications services, which posted the best performance of any sector today.
Okay, let's look at some individual stocks, where company-specific news drove some huge moves.
UnitedHealth had a massive day. The whole managed care group rallied on favorable Medicare rate news.
Alphabet was another big winner, popping on news of a new custom chip deal with Broadcom.
All right, now for the action after hours. We had several key earnings reports drop. Here's the quick scorecard on the most important reports and how those stocks are trading right now.
Levi's was definitely a highlight. A solid beat on earnings, and they actually raised their guidance.
But on the other end, you had Greenbrier, which is dropping hard after a miss and a weak forecast.
So, what does this all mean for tomorrow? What should you be watching for?
Okay, here are 3 key things to keep on your radar for Wednesday's trading session.
The big question for the open is pretty simple. Will diplomacy or that deadline set the tone?